This is a 2003 C240. We're replacing the crankshaft sensor. All you have to do first off is remove these two intake tubes. Once you do that, pop this part up, then pop the entire thing up. Just comes up, no bolts holding it down, just a bunch of grommets. So let's go ahead and do that and get forward. So the crankshaft sensor is positioned right where my ratchet is, as you can see. You're gonna use an E8 socket to remove it. You'll have to use a swivel with an extension to get to it. See if I can get a good view. If you can see that thin cable there, it's located right there. So we can go ahead and remove it and replace that. Here I got the bolt out, just using an E8 with the swivel and just pulled it out with my magnet. Now, I can reach my hand in there to pull it out, but you can also just pull this skinny wire here. It actually already came out. So if you follow the skinny one on this wire harness, this loom here, there's that skinny one. That one connects to the crank sensor. So you can go ahead and just pull it out with that wire and just go ahead and replace it, and then we'll install the new one. Alright, so to remove it, you just push down this tab and pull up. So we have our new one here. All we're gonna do is just, it only goes one direction, pop it in place. So you hear that click. Then we're gonna reach down and try to position it in. And then we're gonna you can hand tighten that bolt back in place, or you're gonna torque it down to 8 Newton meters. So let's go ahead and get that in. Sensor is now installed, bolted down, plugged in. We're just gonna put the air box back on, make sure it lines up with this, and then start it up. All right, everything's installed in place. Pop down. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.